This is Lisa from Peanuts and Peppers Paper Crafting. Today I'm going to show you how to make a quick and easy Easter treat box using the Stampin' Up Welcome Easter Stamp Set and Scalloped Tag Topper Punch. We're also going to be incorporating the Please This Punch Designer Series paper, which is a part of the celebration offerings for 2020. Here's my treat box. This is the front, the sides, and the back. And as you can see, it's big enough to hold a wide variety of Easter treats. This is the Welcome Easter Stamp Set. It has a rabbit, a chicken, a lamb, and a variety of Easter greetings. This is the Scalloped Tag Topper Punch. I love this punch. I use it quite a bit, and I'll probably never get rid of it from my stash. So let's begin with the box base. I'm using a piece of Please This Punch Designer Series paper. This is cut at 5.5 by 8.5, and I've scored this at 2, 4, 6, and 8. Then I turned it and scored it again at 2. The next thing I want to do, there's an end tab right here that I'm just going to take my scissors and cut off. Now I want to fold this back and forth to where it makes one stack of this DSP. Then I'm going to bring in the Scalloped Tag Topper Punch, and I'm going to insert this all the way in. Now for this project, you want to use Designer Series paper because it has a lighter weight. If you try to use cardstock, you can break your punch. I will turn this up to make sure that it's even, and then I'm going to punch. All right, now when I open it up, this is what you'll have. And then I'm going to bring my scissors back in and cut the bottom tabs. Now on this end piece that we have left, I'm going to add a piece of tearing tape. And then I'm simply going to fold this over. Now you can see your treat box start to come together. Now I'll add adhesive to these bottom tabs to make the box bottom. So I'll fold that in. Turn it. Add a little bit more adhesive. Okay, turn it again. And fold this up. And now you have the makings of your Easter treat box. Now what I want to do is simply decide this is what I want for the front. I'm simply going to fold in. Now, you can tie this with ribbon to keep it closed. And remember, before you close it, you want to fill this with your treats. I will probably use Easter kisses as soon as I get to the store. Now for my box, I'm going to use a brad. So I'm just going to bring in a little hole puncher. I'll turn this around. And then I'm going to bring in one of these metallic brads. You can find those in the annual catalog. Now set this aside and we're going to decorate. I've already stamped the rabbit in black Memento ink, and I've used the layering circle dies to make a little focal point. I'm going to bring in a Petal pink Stampin' Blends alcohol marker, and I'll color in the ears, here and here. Then I'm going to do his little nose, the bottom of his feet, and then I've added dimensionals on the back. I'll bring back my box and I'll just adhere this to the front. Now I want to add my sentiment. This is from the Itty Bitty Greetings stamp set. There's an Easter blessings, and what I've already done is stamp this in Petal pink ink and punched it with the classic label punch. And I'm just going to add this to the bottom. I've added a glue dot to it. And then finally, what I want to do is add a bow. And I'm going to be using this Whisper White polka dotted tulle ribbon. And I've already tied it. So what I'll do is add a glue dot to the back, and I'm going to add this up top. And then the final step is to add some rhinestone basic jewels. I'm going to put one like he's holding an Easter egg. And there you have it. A quick and Easter treat box that you can fill with all kind of goodies. And this is perfect for children or even adults. I hope you enjoyed this project, and you can find my other products and projects at peanutsandpapercrafting.com. You can find me on Pinterest, Instagram, and Facebook. Thank you for stopping by, and happy stamping!